Don't fuck
Just
yourself
look
with me.
here.
Don't fucking go look here what.
So
Man,
when
I
you
want to hear
want
you what.
supper?
Bumbo crap to take
But
me.
just
So
say
you hear that
something
you would
simple
go
for
with
you.
this. So you hear you.
Just say something simple to you and go you go on.
Bad man, don't do this.
Look here and you tell me you go be. Not but the two now.
That buffer. Don't tell me nothing. Who you too?
You go and say for be.
Fucking fear.
Guys, I'm gonna go call him. I'm gonna go call him now, guys. What? Just shut the door. Come here.
Allah.
Shut the door and come here, baby. There's something I want to tell you. So I get the door so
I call me every minute today. I want you to tell me I call me from day and day.
So yeah, I'm going to find you. You just have to call the phone to see the
Alright, talk.
Stop going, son.
Talk. My dad used to call me around if I'm virgin.
No, I'm not calling. I'm not stand up and look for you. But I'm afraid to say what I'm going to say.
You would create the what?
Alright. Now just say it.
But you may out this animal now weird.
Yeah. I'm going to say, need a think more. Need a,
Think about what? You mean they are free in arm. Yo, man.
yeah, wait, let me just see that thing if I can do something new.
Something with something.
Do something new, babe.
Something new like what?
Look now.
Don't want me this a bum buckler, yeah?
Come on.
Don't want me tell you something.
Babe,
Don't
look
fuck
here now.
yourself.
Look
Who you
here.
talking to? Mike, don't make me have nothing.
You
Yeah?
just look here now.
Don't fuck
Just
yourself
look
with me.
here.
Don't fucking go look here what.
So
Man,
when
I
you
want to hear
want
you
supper?
bum buckler to take
But
me.
just
So
say
you
something
that you
simple
don't
for
make
you.
this say, hear you?
Just say something simple to you and go you go on.
Bad man, don't do this.
Look here and you tell me you go be. Not but the two now.
That buffer. Don't tell me nothing. Who you too?
You go and say for be.
Fucking fear.
See you don't love me. You don't love me so
You don't love nothing. But you can't love her. And you tell me that you don't love you again. Excuse.
So you take up your bag for.
Brethren, you know, I'm chatting with you. What I mean, no my
But
bag.
just tell us to come out try something new in our love life and look how you have.
Bad man, top, I want you. Try with something new. Don't let me have nothing here. You fucking don't stop fucking touch me, you.
So look how much you know there.
Look how much pussy war you see me I do that to you. And you're there the fucking people in here.
Look here, babe.
Mike, stop calling.
I just one time. Just one. Just one. No.
Mike, stop
Just
fucking
one.
with me, here.
Just
Pussy.
one.
Me and you go left,
Stop
here.
so much bad
Me and you go left. What do you mean, nothing? If you tell me they're freaking stinking after, but yo. If you tell me they're freaking stinking, yo, don't run to me, here.
So you are
Yo,
going to
fuck.
stop. Nathan, stop going so now.
Oh, I'm go on. And something good you tell me. Freaking idiot, yo.
Just because. Nathan.
Guys, I got trouble in one. I go for one big knife and one small knife. Let's say if you know it's small knife, I use a big one and fuck.
Nathan. Look here, Nami. You're going to stop.
Yeah, one. One. Two of them. Two of them. My you, one of me phone there. One of the phone borrow.
So say just bar it on. Lock the door now.
Oh, see me now. Come here so you're not chatting with you again. You deaf?
Just push up the door. You know, me I said to do the last something when I said I did. And now I come with the phone. Just push up the door, Nabi.
Me no want to hear nothing bad, man.
Just push up the door,
Me
Nabi.
not my you. Alright. You see, if you come with the fuck you again, Virgin.
We are going so far.
Talk, yo.
Stop putting so much bad now.
Talk.
You just see that telephone.
Kalisha. Don't make me. Mike, I'm a fucking prank car on you.
Me nah run a prank.
You
But
say,
if you know what you see fuck here, you can just cut on.
cut your pussy. We're not gonna cut out your friggin' head absent. You have sense? And you go feed people and friggin' park and sit on a board. Step up, move. Friggin' shit.
Be me just tell us if you don't want to use the small one, I can use the big one at one time. I just cut. You can just
You
open.
feel friggin'.
Be me just tell you look simple something look like you have
You
one.
come like hand.
Seal. See small one, Japan, small one if you use. Nathan.
Poetry. Bangad. Yeah, guys, I'm telling you now. I don't tell you no, I tell you no. I go call him again. The last time and then me end this.
Look here now.
What man, where you put the phone?
Look here, Nathan.
Kalisha, I'm not coming there about you. So you put the phone, brother.
Just come here, Nathan. Shebar, look here now.
I'm done in a chatting with you.
Yeah, be just come here. Come here now.
Me tell me done in a chatting, what you mean come here for? Me done in a chatting, go put on the people and bomb the class. Yeah.
Stop for so much bad on me. Me tell you, you can't
Go.
use the small one.
Yeah, they
I
can put on the
smell-
party.
I small one.
Yeah, free one.
You can use the small one and just cut.
Yeah, guys. I'm gonna call the boy and show me camera.
Nathan, come here.
Shit like when we go tattoo. That man. Freaking that.
Yeah, guys, so this is I'm gonna catch the boy good you know. So tell me what's popping now, guys. When the sister me catch the boy now, so I want to for member. Spam a comment section with Team CC now, guys. Cause the boy gets a wicked a while ago to me. The boy tell me, I tell the boy saying can use a small one cut and use a falcon. So guys, you don't know say everything what I say is a prank, guys. Don't take it personal. My boyfriend now do that. Because if me did but in around them joke them. Yeah guys, please remember to watch the ads and stay tuned for more bang ad. Remember see a prank war and it just started.